Hello everyone. This is the physical education class away from the gym. There are a couple things that I want to show you before we get into the heart of our lesson. One is if you have a chair, a couch, or any type of thing that you can sit in, we're going to do a chair exercise. And we would need something that you can have some balance and safety with. Also, a paper plate, and then you can make a Tic Tac Toe board. It's just out a poster board for me. And or on some of these things, you can just use a scarf or a towel and put it on the floor and use that as your target area. So let's begin, and plus, don't forget to always have a bottle of water to stay hydrated. Here we go. Repeat after me. St. Angela Merici. Take a deep breath, for the Lord is always with you. Remember when you were younger and Miss Sue talked about that heart and you put your hand in a fist? Well, now that you're older, that fist is larger and your heart has grown. To keep it healthy, we must hydrate, as I said, and one way to feed the heart is to exercise. So let's get going and let's move. Each lesson will begin with our ever famous 10 seconds over and back. The iPad is ready, and if you remember, over and back, frontwards, side to side skier, cutting that line in half in a scissor, and then crisscross. Here we go. Ready, go. Over and back. Stop. Now, be like the skier coming down the mountain. Ready, start. Get those knees twisted. I think we're looking good. We don't have the snow right now. It's a gorgeous day here at my house. Stop. One foot in front, one in back. We're cutting that line in half. And you remember, when you transfer, you jump up and transfer the footing. Ready, go. Keep going. Stop. Last but not least is that crisscross. Do it so that your feet right in front, left in back, and then do the other pattern, left in front. Let's try it now. Crisscross, way back when, applesauce. Ready, go. Stop. Now, what I'd like to show you is after the 10 seconds, we want to bring our heart rate down a little bit. And so I'm going to show you some yoga poses. This first one is called the balance stick. And if you start with a flamingo, and then you can bend forward and your leg goes out into that balance, and you see your arms come forward. Next, you can sit on the floor, legs up in the air, sitting on your derriere, and try to hold your legs up. That's called the boat. We did the balance stick. And next is the warrior. One foot out, arms above. That is the warrior. And I think we've got the next is a triangle, where your feet are making that triangle and you're just going down to one side to make the triangle shape. So have fun relaxing your body movements. Next, we're going to take the pennies that we did. And I'm going to start off right away with actually 6 pennies. If you remember, on a paper plate, toss them up and catch them. And if you miss, you miss. The other thing that I'd like you to do is to practice your underarm throwing, and the balance is to put this tic-tac board even on a couch or down on the floor, and then take the penny and step and swing back and step forward at the opposite and throw it down. You can play tic-tac-toe by yourself or with a family member. I'm trying to give things that you can do throughout the week. Next, moving on, we're going to bring out the chair. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to sit down. And you're going to do any piece of music that you like that has a good 4/4 beat. And you can start by marching in place. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can continue that for a while. Then you can step left, kick, step right, kick, step left, kick, step right, kick. Then you can take your arm, touch the floor, bring it up and clap. You could do 2 down and clap. However you'd like to do that. Then circle your arms, and then you could create your own move. Step, kick, and so forth. Walk around, now stand up, walk around the chair, go to the back, and with this you're going to jump 4 times, using the back as a balance. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then straddle, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to just take and step left, kick side, right, right, step, kick left. And then to do another one, you can step left and touch right back. Step right and touch left back. And from there, create your own move. You might want to just walk around the chair, put your leg up, and make up a routine. I'd like to see that. Next, as we're moving along in the lesson, I have brought out a balloon, but it is a little windy here where I live, so I've tied a string onto it so I don't lose it. And in bowling, what I'd like you to do at home is, if you have a balloon or a ball, that you try to keep it up in the air, developing these core muscles and going up with it. So as we're bowling, you can try to keep the balloon up in the air as long as you can, 100 times or 100 times. So, bowling, very important with your eyes and hands. Next, as we end this lesson, we've done a lot. I have some challenges for you. First challenge is to walk. And in this challenge, you're going to walk today around the house or outside just 100 steps and keep track. Tomorrow, you'll add another 100 to it. And then you'll be walking 200 steps. By the 20th day, you will be up to 2,000, which equals a mile. I have one request of you. Do one act of kindness each time. And then my act of kindness is, I have 2 online sites that you can go to that are a lot of fun. One is a basketball and one is golf. To end this, I would like you to take your right hand over your heart, your left hand over your tummy, and I'd like you to breathe in, count to 4, breathe out for a little more. Do that and repeat that during our time away to relax us and think the Lord is with us. Blessings.